case you can't notice, I got my car levitating behind me, and I got some additional parts here. Follow up from last week's video. We got the brake bleeder, of course, but I got the rest of my fluid here. And in here, I got some spark plugs and coil packs. I have not changed those out in about 15,000 miles for the spark plugs and probably 10,000 for the coil pack. So it's time to get rid of those and get some new ones in. I do want to start off here with the brake fluid because I've never done this before. I don't really know what to expect. Also, it looks very dirty. Alright, that's about all we're going to be able to get out with the turkey baster. Alright, it's leaking somewhere. Bunch of trial and error, but I think it's good now. You just got to make sure that this is tight as fuck, that's tight as fuck, and this is tight as fuck. I was about to just put my brake fluid in there. Thankfully I didn't. Check the bottom of your container for any loose plastics like mine, because that I don't want to pump that into my brake system. All that shit coming out, that's kind of fucked. It'll be done when it's done, I don't know. Not doing that again. We're in a car because I need a 9mm box wrench. Why would I have that? I have no idea why. I have every single size under the sun except for a 9mm. Can't make this up. This is how they get you. 8, 10. Gotta buy this thing. Wait, what? Can I even return this now? They didn't give me a fucking receipt. And this is an 8mm. And then a 10mm, dude. Who? Not even an 11. Who comes up with this, man? Honestly, somebody needs to be put in jail because this is a fucking scam. Now, I know I'm stupid because I thought there was a 9 in there, but I guess I'm just fucking dumb, whatever. I may have found our trick here. I found this chronically malformed penny that fits between the bolt and the 10mm wrench, so seems to be on there pretty good. That's gonna be our strategy, because fuck those wrenches. Basically, this thing's greased up like a stripper. I have no grip on it. I can't get it over this. The fucking thing didn't come with a fucking 9mm. This is absolutely terrible. Just letting you guys know I'm having a horrible time. I'm gonna pump this bleeder here up to 15 psi, and I really hope this penny method works because I'm gonna cry. We were just saved from a crash out. Went to the neighbor's house. He had this beautiful looking wrench right here. Why is that so tight? A chunk of something's floating through there. There is actually stuff coming out of there. That's bad. Go check the PSI up here. Still good. We'll just wait for this stuff to come out clean. Like air keeps coming out whenever I move the bolt. Am I doing something wrong? Just accepting the fact that I'm gonna fuck this up and not have my car for the next week. I just redid the rear passenger side and I refilled the bleeder because I was getting some air coming out. I did not have enough brake fluid in there. Let's pump that back up. We're all set now to go on the rear driver's side. Push your way. There's no way. Oh, the bolt's stripping like hell. Fuck off, dude. Some days you really love working on cars, and then there's some days where doing something this simple makes you want to sell everything. That doesn't need to be that tight. I think that is it. Until I do that. As if this hasn't been enough, the front is an 11mm. Where's mine at? You already know the shit I just bought does not have that in there. We are gonna make do with the 7/16. Don't be like me. I thought the pedal was gonna be more firm. To be honest, it feels the same as before, kind of disappointing. So I just tried out my mom's car because she has a Mercedes and the brake pedal feels nearly identical to my car, so I'm assuming that's just how this car feels. At the very least, I got the fluid changed out. We went from that to that. Now we're gonna get to the part of the video where I know what I'm doing, and this should go a lot quicker because that ended up taking me 5 hours, mostly because I didn't have a tool and I was trying to make a tool. I was grinding down an 8mm for a while there, off camera. Desperate times, man. Car's back on the ground, tested the brakes, they feel good. Engine stuff's all taken apart. We can just start disconnecting these from the now warm engine bay. Just mostly interested to see what these look like and if they're dry or wet, if there's oil on them. That's good. Now I know there's newer, better coil packs on the market, but these are free for me now. So until I really have an issue with it, I'm just gonna run these Delphis. One done. Oh, that's dirty. This one is not too bad either. Turning white, maybe that is bad. Oil on this one. Now that could be for my oil change because I spilled some. Which makes sense, it's right here. I do have some oil down there. Oh yeah, wow, spilled some oil down here, so that's more than likely what that's from. Maybe these are better. These look like a newer design. Or they just changed the caps of them probably. Let's be realistic. Holy shit, yeah. Yeah, I wonder where my oil spilled. Okay, this one looks soaked. Oh, that's really bad. Is that valve cover gasket, right? I think that's my valve cover gasket. I don't know, that could have just been oil that leaked down there. I'm just gonna have to keep my eye on these, probably check them again after I drive a little bit. See if they're still getting wet, but if it's only these two, then I'm gonna rock it up to the oil change, spilling in there. This is where they should be dry now, probably. Yeah, it must have just got oil on them. Fuck! Like, are not what they used to be, that's for sure. Hey, what's up? Put back together with potentially the most new parts ever on it at once. We got new coils, new spark plugs, new oil, and new brake fluid, and vacuum lines. So stuff is going on the car, to say the least, and I have a little note here because I forgot to torque the wheels, so I'm gonna go do that.
Feeling like I ain't a boss, feeling like I ain't a baller. I can't complain. Shawty, she been in a lot. Shawty, she lost in the sauce. She on a plane. I just get brain and get guap. I just get brain and get guap. This life is insane. This life is a dream and I like. This shit I like it a lot. I see through the pain. This life is a dream and I like. This shit I like.